I always appreciate when cars do that and not just fill the gap. Sand, gravel and a hairpin, the fucking holy trifecta of death. Oh, this is ass. Oh, oh fuck. I just got a massive stone on my fucking helmet. Jesus Christ. Ooh. No idea. Alright. There you go. Jesus Christ, that fucking suspension was giving in. He went around that corner, I thought he was gonna go fucking aerial. Tea room and gift shop. Goodbye, friend. Have you ever considered MotoGP? This is some fucking... Holy fuck, this is beautiful. Yeah, we should get a photo, I think. Is this the top? Alright. Don't mind me, I was just trying to kick my kickstand down that was already down. Beauty. Right, photo. What the fuck even is that? I assure you my radiator guard is not the only thing holding me from going off-road. Oh god, my stomach actually feels like a roller coaster. Yeah. I know, the scabby bitch. Jesus. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Yep, that car just... Yep. Jesus Christ, these are so steep. We might as well finish this trip. Whoops. Blink.